Make sure to stay until the end, because in some cases adding coolant will not clear that message, and we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes C-Class generation from year 2007 to 2015, also known as W204. If you have one of those, you get a message on the dash that says check coolant level. Stay with us, we'll explain how to get rid of it, what you need to do, and if the message is still there after adding coolant, we'll explain how to fix that. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly getting new cars, we're constantly working on something. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for your car, Mercedes, any model guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools, supplies from, and you can guys save a fortune. So let's explain what we have here specifically guys. Now this is a 2013 C-Class that we'll demonstrate on. That's our vehicle for a long time. We've been having this one, not driving it too much lately. It's kind of like a spare car, but when you turn the ignition on, I want to show you, we're going to get that message that says check coolant level. Okay, you can see clearly the message right here. So that coolant level message guys, what you need to do, first you need to open the hood, but in my opinion, okay, never check coolant when it's hot, because it can severely burn you. Let the engine sit, okay, after you turn it off for a few hours, even overnight, and check it next morning. This is your coolant tank. Often you can see the coolant level without even opening it, which is way safer guys. Now right here on the coolant tank you have one sensor. That's the sensor that detects the level of the coolant. So practically when the coolant levels reach a certain point, okay, it's going to get dry and it will activate that message. Now if adding coolant doesn't fix that, we'll explain what can cause that. So let's start on it now. Coolant that's approved by Mercedes, use original coolant, or coolant that is approved. We'll put links in the description of the video below where you can buy original coolant or the European vehicles, which is up to 2014 Mercedes guys, okay, right here, pre-2014. Now we need to see exactly where the coolant level should be. So you can see right here on the inside, if we zoom in, this is the sensor, okay, right there guys, this is your sensor. You can see how it's uncovered now, that's why it's detecting it. So let's go ahead, okay, we're going to start adding coolant now. Make sure that you don't leak any out. Coolant is extremely poisonous for pets, humans, kids. Okay, I personally know about a person that died from coolant poisoning drinking it, so that's no joke guys. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, add it, we're going to see the level here. Okay, you need to check your specific manual for your year and model. Okay, but we need a little bit more. Okay, because I see where it is, you just need to add a little bit more. So let's keep going. It's still going. Okay, right there, that's it. So okay, let's see if that message will clear now. If it doesn't, it means that you have a bad sensor and you need to replace the coolant reservoir, the coolant tank, or inspect that the wires are not burned by the exhaust or they're not disconnected if somebody worked on the car or they were left loose or something like that. Perfect. Now let's see if the check coolant level light is off now. It used to come immediately the moment I turn the ignition switch on. So I'm going to go ahead, turn the ignition switch on, all the lights are on, completely gone. We only have service A exceeded by 375 days. So you can see guys, that's how we got rid of that message on Mercedes C-Class. Okay, it's done. If you still have the message, you need to inspect the wiring harness, the sensor there, and you may need to replace it. If you guys want to see anything else specifically on C-Class, we'll be taking completely apart. Leave a comment below. But on our channels we have more than 9,000 free repair videos, close to 10,000 videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future car repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.